Hi all, I wanted to make a quick video with market outlook for the rest of the week, uh, which is from the 7th of May till the 9th of May. Uh, so Monday and Tuesday has already gone by. Tomorrow will be 7th, Wednesday, 8th Thursday, and 9th Friday. Let's have a look. I don't know if there are any holidays in between. I myself have been busy, so I've had a look at the charts at the end of the day. Just thought I'll run through the charts. Before I explain anything or say anything, I would like to mention that this is an educational channel. All content over here is for the sake of education. Kindly read the disclaimer you see on the screen and in the description below. With that said, let's proceed. So this is how mid-cap looks on the left and Nifty looks on the right. This is a 125 minutes chart. I've explained several times that if you divide our index trading hours, which is 6 hours 15 minutes, if you convert that totally into minutes, then it's 375 minutes. And if you want to convert that into 5 equal bars, it will be 75 minutes. If you want to convert that into 3 equal bars, then that will be 125 minutes. So I'm looking at charts where every 3 bars is equal to 1 day. All right, what I can see from the charts is there is sort of indexes are looking tired. They're holding on, especially Nifty is holding on to that trend line over here, trying to hold this, but it's looking very tired now. Mid-cap also wants to fall by the looks of things. This is indicators that I'm using on this is something called market structure. I've made a video on that, probably uploaded in the last 1 month. If you want to have a look at that, just have a look at that. At the bottom, I'm using MACD profit candles and RSI for borders. So all of this is explained in previous videos. But when I look at this chart on this 125-minute time frame where every 3 bars is 1 day, I see exhaustion. I see that the markets are tired, and I think that they want to fall now. Last time over here, this was 25th of March, after which the fall had started. And then from the 7th of April, we have constantly been going up, especially Nifty. If you see, from the 7th of April, it's just been going up. All right, it's not had probably 1 day over here, which was disastrous. But apart from that, it's just kept going up. And how many points has it gained from this low? So Nifty from 7th of April has gone up approximately 2,600 points. Mid-cap has gone up approximately, it went up all the way to about close to 1,950 points, and then currently it's sitting at 1,600 points high. Let's have a look at Fin Nifty and Bank Nifty as well. Over here also you can see that there is exhaustion. They're looking tired, and they have started going up also on the 7th of April. March 25th they had a fall, and then from 7th of April they've kept going up, and they Fin Nifty went all the way to 3,200 points up. Currently it's sitting at 2,300 points up. And Bank Nifty had gone up all the way from the 7th of March. It had gone up all the way 6,900 points, or close to 6,900 points. Is currently still up 5,000 points. All right, so in my view, they're looking exhausted. I'm waiting for these two lines to merge. Sooner or later they're going to merge over here, and then they're going to become purple. Once they become purple, that will be an ideal position for me to short. I think that Bank Nifty will retest 52,000. It'll probably come somewhere over here, which is about 2,000 points down from its current level. Maybe Fin Nifty will also go down, say about 800,000 points. And then I see a similar thing in mid cap and Nifty also. I think mid cap should come down to this, at least to this 11,600 odd levels. About 400 points drop at least in mid cap, and in Nifty it should come down at least till about 700-800 points at least from its current high. Now that may happen within the course of this week, or maybe next week also will be pulled in. Right now, as I'm making this video, US futures are also slightly in the red. not too much, but they are slightly in the red. And CAC and DAC are also slightly in the red. Nikkei is slightly in the red, but nothing major as of now. So everything is looking honky-dory. I mean, there are no major concerns as such, but our indices are looking very, very exhausted, very, very tired, and for some reason they are refusing to fall. It's especially very difficult for option buyers. Today was 10/6 expiry. At the end of the day, when you look at the charts also, you can make out that it was probably better for option sellers. This market is more and more becoming an option sellers market. It's becoming very difficult for option buyers who need momentum. There's only slow decay happening in calls. Puts are not rising, and even if they rise, then it's a false alarm. So considering all these things, I think you should be a little careful shorting, but one of these days you will get a good opportunity to short. We just don't know when it is, and then the market will probably come down and again go up. But at this point of time, I think they want to come down a little bit. They're looking tired and they're looking exhausted. If you're using the same indicators and looking at the same things at 125 minutes, you'll also see the same things. There's not much to discuss. All the indicators, let me just show you the indicators I'm using. In this, there is MSB, OB. I would have discussed this about the script. Market structure breakout and order block. It should be there in one of the videos. I have discussed this. Then this double CME trend bars also have discussed. At the bottom, it's MACD, profit candles, and RSI I'm using for borders. All right. So all these indicators have been discussed. You can have a look at previous videos and you'll find them. So this basically shows you where the buying can come from. You can see over here mid cap, it's selling that the buying can again come from so and so. Nifty, it's not even stating that. And in Fin Nifty, it's stating that buying can again come from here or here. And Bank Nifty, it can again start from about these levels. Buying can re-emerge, but till then, on the 125 minutes time frame at least, there seems to be a scope for a clear drop. The only problem is the markets are not dropping with momentum. I mean, they are dragging the drop, and so the puts don't rise, the calls slowly decay, and that will not help option buyers. Option sellers will probably be rejoicing, who can short large quantities with the required capital, but option buyers who have lower capital will be struggling unless they have a very good plan of action. That free fall is not happening, or at least has not happened till now, but I'm hoping that one of these days it'll happen. All right, so be a little careful shorting. I'm not saying that shorting is something that you shouldn't do, but just be a little careful because markets are a little tricky. They're trying to dodge you a little bit. It's trying to show strength, even though I think there is no strength right now in the markets. Most of the results are out. Kotak Bank results were not that great according to me. SBI results were okay, and most of the results are almost out now. Dabur results were not that great. What else did I notice? So these are some of the things that I've noticed. Pharma companies have done badly today because Trump wants to impose some tariffs on them, so on and so forth. So keep an eye on news as well. Keep an eye on global futures, and wait for the appropriate time for you to short, and wait for the appropriate time to even go long. As I kept saying, keep an eye on 24,500 call and put 29th May, which is the end of the month strike of 24,500 call and put. Just keep an eye on them, and they will probably give you a very good opportunity in the coming days. That is the view that I hold. So I don't know when exactly you will get an opportunity, but I think in the coming days, one of the two will give you a good opportunity, and which you should be able to strike. The reason I'm suggesting the month-end strike price, not the weekly, is for lower amounts of volatility. The weekly will be a little more volatile, or a lot more volatile. The monthly will not be that volatile. So keep an eye on the 24,500 call and put Nifty strike price of 29th May, which is the month end strike price. All right. On that note, guys, I'll end this video. Again, in summary, I think that there is exertion, tiredness, Markets seem like they want to go down a little bit. That is the summary, but you got to time your shorts well, otherwise you'll burn your fingers. All right. Thanks a lot, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye. I'll be busy for a day or two more, and then after that I should have more time to make more videos. I'll see you then. Take care. I'll see you in the next video. By the way, if you have already subscribed, consider becoming a member on the channel by clicking on the join button. If you're not yet subscribed, subscribe to the channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Like our videos, give it a thumbs up. It motivates us to make more videos for you. Also subscribe to our free Telegram channel. The link is given in the description. Members have access to our WhatsApp channel, and also buy all your Amazon products from our Amazon affiliate link given in the description. I think there's some sale going on in Amazon, so use our affiliate link to buy stuff. You won't be paying anything extra. We make a small commission every time you make a purchase. All right. See you in the next video, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.